Hey, what's up, Solana holders? Today video is going very special for Solana holder. This is live price prediction of Solana. You watching ABS Tech channel. I hope you enjoyed this video if you are a holder of Solana. Okay guys, so before I get started this brand video, I request you to please subscribe ABS Tech channel. If you just click on the subscribe, you know what the reason of subscribe. If you subscribe this channel, and then I am updating you every good news or bad news and good time for selling and a bad time for absolutely everything of all cryptocurrencies. So this is a good channel for you. Please hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe every channel. Okay guys, so first of all, I'm gonna show you the last 1 hour result, then I'm gonna show you the 1 day result, and this is live price prediction technical analysis. Okay guys, so just we decide to this is selling time, buying time, everything, and I also need your opinion, so please share it in a comment box. So this is selling time or buying time. Okay guys, so first of all, if you can see here, this is the last 1 hour result. Absolutely, this is the last 1 hour result, and the chant is here. If you can see here, the chant is plus 2.14. Absolutely, this is per 14% going up. So this is plus 2.14% going up in last 1 hour. So this is absolutely mind-blowing result, and everyone cryptocurrency is going up like a rocket. You can see here, this is absolutely good chant. So they can go like a rocket. So this is absolutely a buying. Every holders can understand this from this listen to you. Okay, can cryptocurrency you can give you a good changes going up, then absolutely this time is a buying time. So absolutely this is buying time. Let's see the 1 day result and then decide. If you can see here, the latest price as 23.89 US dollars. So this is absolutely a good price, and I hope they can just cross 25 US dollar just in a few days. So what's your opinion? Please share it in the comment box. My expectation is that too. I hope they can cross 25 US dollars. So what's your expectation? Please share it in the comment box. Oh my goodness, absolutely I am right. Absolutely, I love this cryptocurrency because Solana is absolutely going like a rocket. You can see here plus 4.93% going up. Oh my goodness, this is one day result. You can see here plus 4.93% going up. So this is absolutely in those days every cryptocurrency just goes down, but Solana is absolutely goes up like a rocket. Absolutely, you can see here the graph result, they completely goes upwards. So absolutely but this time you can see here, this time they goes down. So this is absolutely very good, but again they can start jumping. So if they can start again jumping, I my expectation is that I hope they can go up like a rocket. So absolutely, you can see here the price is just, oh my goodness, absolutely my expectation is 25 US dollar they cross easily. I hope they can cross 30 US dollar. What you say, they can cross 30 US dollar at the end of month, they can cross 50 US dollar, 50 US dollar. Oh my goodness, absolutely mind-blowing changes. So they can make you millionaire, they can give you a good result. So don't waste this chance, take a chance, just buy it. Please buy it. Absolutely my expectation is that please, I hope they can cross 50 US dollar. Thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel and share your opinion in a comment box, and don't forget to like this video. Subscribe, like. Allah Hafiz.